Wonder why they hate on me. I don't wanna love myself. I'm praying that y'all love me. 'Cause you don't want it.
Oh, let me take my time. I want every girl like I can't make my mind. I spent 80,000 just to flood the time. I don't wear no hangs, my t-shirt Saint Laurent. I just made a whole bag from like half of a show. I still got some boys sad, moving bags of the door. Yeah, you know I got that cash, you get blast on the low. Just because you knew my dad, don't mean that I play you.
So y'all may be wondering a couple things. 1, why am I so cute? 2, why am I in the forest? 3, why haven't I uploaded in a month? Shit, I can only answer 2 of those. I'm in the forest because like I was playing with squirrels and shit. And I haven't uploaded in a month because like if you remember my last video, I was like how to be a British roadman. I got too much into the part and I tried to go on some crusades for the queen type shit and I got lost in the fucking forest, bruh. And I came out here, so shit. But anyways, today we're gonna make some slime. It's gonna be colored red, the color of my enemy's blood. Hey, if any of y'all motherfuckers know how to, like, if Rogaine works for beards, cause I got a big ass bald spot. I've been trying to fix that shit for weeks, bruh. It's slightly coming in, but not totally. So if anybody knows where why you drop my keys? Piece of shit. If anybody knows if Rogaine works on beards, let me know. Damn. Hold on, my melanin popping right here. So we got 2 cute bitches in the car.
Shut up.
Give me a kiss.
Get.
So we got 2 cute people in this car right now. We're about to go grab the ingredients for the slime. I don't know what they are yet, but we'll look it up on Google when we get to Walmart. I need some Borax, but I can't find that bullshit, so I'm gonna take my anger out on you. Come here, bitch. They don't have red glitter, so I gotta use pink. So my enemy's blood is pink. Hey man, get a load of this bullshit, right? So I see this bright pink glue. I pick it up. So I'm like reading this shit, so I examine it and I put it on my shirt like this. And I got pink nut all over my shirt now, and I don't know what to do. It's not coming off. And I examine further. That shit spilled all over the place right there. It won't even come off. That shit dry. Alright, watch this shit. I'm about to do some real shit. Come here. Shut up, I'm busy. Hold the camera. Don't even worry about it. Don't even trip.
Trying up on your shirt.
What kind of dumbass caravan dog is that? Come here. Put it right here. Put it right here.
You're stealing.
I go fuck.
Fucking moron.
That ain't me.
That is you.
Shut up.
Video proof now. You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail.
I'm going to jail!
Hey man, stop tapering with the evidence, bruh. Cause I ain't gonna fingerprints out of you, dumbass, bruh. Hey, this shit wasn't us, bruh. That shit was not us. That was not us. You didn't see shit. Move, bruh. Putos, we got the ingredients right here. You know, finest ingredients. We about to start making our slime right here. See, my plan was to make it red, the color of my enemy's blood, but that didn't work out, so we got purple glitter. I mean pink glitter. So we got that bullshit. Shit, this low-key turned into some ASMR shit. Alright. So, you know, I'm a big boy, so we need a little bit of slime. So that's what we're gonna start out with. We need motherfucking 3 ounces of glue. So I'm gonna pour that shit up. Let me just open that shit. Oh goddamn, it's already open. Hey, excuse the fingernails if they look nasty a little bit. I need a manicure. shit. So we need motherfucking goddamn. I don't know how to measure. Fuck it. We don't need to measure shit, bitch. So we need motherfucking goddamn. Gonna use all this shit. Where the fuck it is. It's a slime activator. So we're gonna pour that bitch in. Yeah. Yeah. That's it right there. So we're done with that. We pour our glue in next. But look, man. You gotta concentrate this bitch. So we're gonna put all the slime activator in this corner right here. Yeah. Oh, what's that nasty shit in there? Man, our slime gonna have some weird shit, but fuck it. Put this glue up in this bitch, man. Oh, shit. God damn. Oh, excuse the toenails, too, bro. I need a pedicure. God damn. Yo, that's it right there. I read on the package of the slime activator that I'm not supposed to touch it with my bare hands, but fuck it. We Billy like that, bro. I'm gonna let my nuts hang and I'm gonna mix it with my hands, bro. Fuck it. If I lose a finger, it was for the tube. Shit. I'm gonna open this other glue. Yeah. Yeah. What? Oh yeah, that's that noise right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pour all that bullshit in. Hell yeah. Oh, I got some on my fingers. I'm gonna lick that off. All clean, motherfucker. Yeah. So we got this glue out mostly. No, nothing less. Big ballin'. Last, we got one more. We got one more shit of glue, bruh. That shit was already open. I don't know. Somebody might have drugged my glue, but fuck it. We'll pour that bitch in. Yeah. Now that's some beautiful glue right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. That shit beautiful. Alright, bet. That's enough of that. Now lastly, we add the water. Now see this? I milked this from my brother's titties. I think I made too much slime. Alright, shit. So I don't know if I'm supposed to touch this with my hands, but fuck it, I'm Billy like that. Let me read this shit one more time. Look, bruh. Do not permit this liquid to contact the skin or eyes or be ingested. Wash hands after use. But you know, fuck it. We Billy like that, man. We're about to mix this bitch up. That shit low-key stained, brother. I don't like this. Fuck it. Get all the glue and shit, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, that shit high-key stinging, bro. I'm gonna go get some gloves, bro. This ain't it, chief. Hold up. God damn it. I ain't Billy. Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna keep going. Oh, shit. Am I supposed to mix it or something? Did I put too much water in this bullshit? Am I supposed to wait or something?
Yeah, we are going to.
Hey, shout out my girl Mia, bro, helping us out. My girl Mia gonna push me through this, bro. Jeez.
And I just used my glue, and it worked.
Damn, bitch, get on with it.
Not really sure, but then I also did it again at my house, like a long time ago.
Man, fuck it. I'm gonna keep mixing this bitch. I'm gonna mix it with my feet low key, bro. Oh, yeah. Ah, fuck it. We gonna mix this bitch up. Yeah, give me that shit right there. Yeah. That's what I like. That's what we like. Oh, yeah. There's all kinds of bubble action. I think that's working. Well, shit. I don't think this worked, chief. You my goddamn slime, goddamn, bitch. This shit ain't working. I'm about to get like goddamn AIDS from this. But you know what? We came all this way. We ain't gonna leave without a fight. Hey, so my hands got too sticky, so I got this spoon, which happens to be the same spoon my mama used to beat me with. But we're gonna use this spoon and mix this shit up. But first, we're gonna add some motherfucking color to this shit, cause I love my color. I'll open my motherfucking glitter up. See all this glitter, bruh? Fuck it. Oh yeah, that's it right there. We got all that glitter, chief. Oh, I love that. I love that right there. Look how beautiful that shit is. Look like a dragon nutted up in this bitch. So look at my wrist action.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
You 6 years old. Shut the hell up. Oh, I'm about to mix this bullshit. Oh yeah. Oh, I got my mama. And we in a meth lab. So I waited a couple hours to see if that shit was set. And that shit did not set. So I raged and I fucking carried that shit downstairs. And I threw the whole fucking bucket in my backyard. I'll show y'all the footage when I get home. Right now I'm out with the little homie. Say what's up, bruh. Say what's up. So right here my man said some really inappropriate shit. So I'm not gonna put it in there so my mama won't beat his ass. I'm being a good brother right now. Jeez. Thank you. But I'll show y'all the aftermath when we get home. But right now, I'm about to go get me a blizzard. Because I'm a fat bitch and I need to calm down. You need shit. Hey, man, I got AIDS and I got sick as fuck and almost died. But here's the next day. Here's the failed slime. Well, fuck it. I'll just drink this and become Young Thug. Scatter. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.